First birthday, Tavin. Love the lane. Reach in there. Reach in there. Tavin.
How do you get in there?
What's in there? What is it? Ooh, my jungle. I've seen these books. They're pretty cool. Monkey, monkey. I want the paper.
Yeah.
Very cute. Isn't that cute?
Boy.
Sit over here. He loves. Well, she can sit right there.
I'm gonna sit in the sun.
You want to sit in the sun? Okay.
Yeah.
He like the monkey.
It's cute, huh?
Daddy can sit
Thank
right
you.
You're welcome. Yeah, we have one too. It's like with a little bear, and I just thought, oh, they're such cute books.
Okay, I'm going to start it for you. You got a pool.
Just abandon
Get a
your
pool.
son, your child for the sun.
Come sit over here.
He's not gonna be with her when you get back home. He's there.
Yeah, Dave, you got to see this.
I think Alexandra ended up opening up all of Sebastian's birthday presents.
Yeah, it takes so long.
She's like, wow, what's this? What's this? You know, playing with everything. More than he did. Ooh.
Movie I see from play.
I have that same book.
You do?
Yeah.
Is this the Spanish version of it? Yeah. That's so funny. We have the English
Let
version.
me have it. I forgot to take the price tag off.
Oh, right. Good one.
You want to see how much my feet? So which one is it?
Yeah.
I got it on the clearance ready.
I have it in English.
Mimi.
Move, la la la.
In Espanol,
Hey, Leanne,
it's the
catch her.
No, stop.
that cows
doing?
make
The dog
in
catch her.
Spanish, I guess. I don't know.
The sounds they make.
Here.
Awesome.
What'd you say?
He's dad talking.
My first
Turns out it's the second.
Thanks, Leanne. But this isn't one with the knob, so it's different.
Yeah.
It's going to be
No knobs on
harder.
Oh, look at that.
Good dog. Good dog.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Dave, it's a car.
What's in there?
Police
Pull it
car.
out.
Get
Get it. Get it.
He doesn't like cars or trucks. Oh, wow. What nice tissue paper.
like
That's
it.
part of it. That's part of the whole package.
Wow.
Oh, my
That looks cool.
What does it
God.
do?
That's almost too much.
What does it do? Oh, we gotta take this. Where's the ball?
Oh.
Where's the ball?
Okay.
Who's that? It's a card.
You gotta see who it's from.
Oh, what
It's not from me.
So that puzzle has how many pieces?
or
2.
5.
I really thought it
From
had
the
2.
Melhue.
Just half and half.
From the Melhue.
Well, when they're little,
Get it.
that's about all they can handle.
Oh, there went the gift.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Get some chocolate on it.
Very fluffy.
Is it so soft? Is it so soft? Yeah.
Hey.
Tiny,
Here, have him hold that for Connie. Will you just
Oh, okay.
pose for a second?
Oh, that's from Connie?
Yeah.
for Dave. Yay! Hurry. Ah, that was a cute one. Leanne got a cute one of them.
He likes that, huh?
It's so soft.
Yeah.
This one's for Daddy. Ooh,
Oh,
musical
yeah.
hater.
Very cool.
Wow.
Those are cool.
Wow, oh, there goes the bear.
Leanne, you've done a good job of getting a musical thing.
Oops.
Oh, the remote.
And the
Oh.
Settle down. Here's some tissue. Settle down. Grandma.
Someone has to ask why the remote's out here. We know.
I'm like videoing this.
So I think we took them all away.